What's up, Suds family? Bringing you peace and love from RJ Suds. Look, guys, we are here today with a brand new video. Today, we are going to be doing a tire cleaning video on this 2021 Ram 1500. Guys, isn't she a beauty? She's nice, right? Listen, guys, today is not going to be a product review or anything like that, but I am going to be mentioning a few products that I use, and these are just the products that I use. You may not use them, you may not know about them. Hey, you may do use them, you may not like them. Whatever the case may be, guys, listen, it's all good, all right? These are just the products that I use, and these are the products that have worked for me, all right? I am going to be doing a product review at some point in time, all right, on these products along with other products that I've tried. But with that being said, if you like the content you're seeing, if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe, all right? I'm always down for feedback, always looking to improve. With that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Welcome back to the video, guys. Pump, 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 pump. Y'all see what I'm doing, getting in that workout with that spray bottle, all right? Inside of that spray bottle, we got the P&S Brake Buster juice, all right? Brake Buster juice. Guys, listen, this stuff works miracles, all right? Y'all see what it's doing. I'm putting it on the tire. It's breaking the dirt down, and the dirt is falling off. Y'all, guys, I didn't even agitate it yet. I ain't adding no agitation, no aggravation, none of that, all right? Just spray it on the tire. It's just really that simple, all right? But moving on. Anyway, we're gonna hit it also with that in that tire well with that P&S Brake Buster juice. All right. You gotta be careful on the plastic though, guys, because this stuff can't eat away at the plastic. All right. So you have to make sure that this P&S Brake Buster juice, guys, I can't talk today. I'm sorry. Make sure that it's diluted, all right, diluted down. And even with it being diluted, y'all saw what it did. It still broke it down, all right? Still got that dirt up out of there. So then we hit it with that P&S Pearl Auto Soap inside of the foam cannon. All right, guys. These products, along with many more, are going to be included in a product review that I'm going to be doing at some point in time. All right, some point in time. Y'all see me scrubbing. Y'all saw it. Y'all look, scrubbing. 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 Y'all see it. Y'all see what I'm doing. Getting down and dirty with this scrub. Okay. You got to scrub to get the dub, folks. That is the name of the game. All right. Not just on the tire, in all aspects of the car detailing. Okay, you got to scrub for the dub. And then you see me get inside the rim with the long handle bristle brush. All right. You got to get the dirt and debris from behind the rim. Make sure you're getting a good, nice scrub and agitation going with the product by using the brush. Okay. And if you have to, guys, get a couple microfiber towels and make sure you get in those tight spaces. Okay, because sometimes the brush is not going to get in those tight spaces. All right, sometimes you got to get in there and get dirty. Okay. All right, so guys, y'all see me with the brush inside the rim. Then I'm gonna hit the tire well. Make sure you clean this as well, folks, because dirt, debris, mud, rain, whatever can get up inside of the tire well. All right, so make sure that you get in there and you scrub it good, and then you're gonna top it off with the final rinse. Guys, I always clean the tires before I clean the rest of the vehicle, just because it makes the process 10 times easier for me. All right, everybody's different. Some people prefer to clean the vehicle and then the tires. Some people start on the inside and then work their way out. However it works for you guys, hey, let me know down in the comments. I would love to know. All right. With that being said, thanks for watching. All right, like, comment, subscribe if you like what you saw. And guys, look at the final product. Mwah! All right, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Love and peace.